Lawyers involved in the Desmond Key manslaughter trial made a final pitch to jurors during closing arguments today. 37-year-old Police Corporal Donovan Gardner was accused of Key's death. Fern Carey was in court today as the court prepares to turn the case over to the jury.
As far as attorney Wayne Monroe is concerned, the prosecution's manslaughter case against 37-year-old Corporal Donovan Gardner doesn't make any sense because court evidence shows there were no visible injuries or bruising on Key's body. That's a logical outcome, according to Monroe, if Gardner hit Key hard in his head and left side with a baseball bat, causing his death, as he is accused of doing. Monroe said when officers arrested Key on a traffic violation back in 2007, he was belligerent, drunk, and cursing, forcing 3 officers, including Gardner, to subdue him. He noted that there were a number of warrants for Key's arrest, including a warrant of committal to prison, and when officers told him about it, he ran out of the station but was stopped by officers and placed in a cell by himself. Monroe also noted that Key's attending physician, Dr. Dwayne Sands, testified that he always examined Key from head to toe, yet he never saw any bruising on his body. And EMS personnel who arrived 7 hours later to take Key to the hospital never saw any injuries either. Key reportedly suffered from pancreatitis, but Monroe suggested in court that it was due to his alcohol use, and a clinical pharmacist testified that Key was given lipids while at PMH, saying it can cause acute pancreatitis. Monroe then challenged prosecutors to explain why a drunk, boisterous, talkative Key did not complain to anyone about his injury, noting that it's impossible to hit a light-skinned man like Desmond Key and not leave a bruise. But prosecutor Linda Evans stressed that while court evidence shows that pancreatitis can be caused by blunt force or alcohol, some people who develop the disease never even drink alcohol. Highlighting the testimony of an EMS personnel, Evans noted that a barebacked Key was complaining of stomach pains and vomiting blood, and there was a lot of water on the floor of his cell, intermingled with blood, which is consistent with coughing. Evans also noted that he guarded himself when touched in certain areas of the body. Evans then suggested that Corporal Gardner used excessive and unnecessary force as an officer with a person under his care. She also said as a result of being beaten, Key developed pancreatitis complications and died. Justice Vera Watkins will sum up the case Friday morning, after which Gardner's fate will be in the hands of the jury. Fern Carey, ZNS News.